Are you ready to start investing but don't know where to begin? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll break down the basics of investing for beginners. Stick around and by the end, you'll have the knowledge you need to start your investment journey. Let's get started. Imagine making your money work for you, growing your wealth while you sleep. Sounds awesome, right? Investing can help you achieve just that. So let's dive into the essentials every beginner needs to know. First things first, why should you invest? Investing helps you grow your money over time, beat inflation, and achieve financial goals like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Think of it as planting seeds today to enjoy a bountiful harvest tomorrow. There are several ways to invest your money. Here are some common options. Stocks, owning a piece of a company. Bonds, lending money to a company or government. Mutual funds, pooling money with other investors to buy a diversified portfolio. ETFs, similar to mutual funds but traded like stocks. Real estate, buying property to rent or sell for profit. Each option has its own risk and reward profile, so it's important to diversify your investments. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, or do you prefer safer, more stable investments? Knowing how much risk you can handle will guide your investment choices. Step 4. Set clear financial goals. Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Whether it's saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or retirement, having specific goals will help you stay focused and make informed decisions. Step 5. Open an investment account. To start investing, you'll need an investment account. There are different types like brokerage accounts and retirement accounts such as IRAs and 401(k)s. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers low fees and user-friendly tools. Step 6. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need a lot of money to begin investing. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Set up automatic investments to ensure you stay on track. Step 7. Do your research. Always do your research before investing. Learn about the assets you're interested in, stay updated with market trends, and continually educate yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Step 8. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to protect your portfolio from market volatility. Step 9. Monitor and adjust your investments. Regularly monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. Market conditions change, and so do your financial goals. Stay proactive to ensure your investments align with your objectives. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay informed, and keep your goals in sight. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and share this video with your friends. Your financial future starts today. Stay motivated, stay educated, and happy investing. See you in the next video.